I am here at Turtle Lake Refuge Cafe in Durango, Colorado. This is my daughter, Gabriela Ranzi.
Hello.
Wonderful, excellent raw food chef. And this is Catherine. Hi, Catherine.
Hi there. We're Alfredoing.
These wonderful chefs.
Zucchini Alfredo, yum.
Ooh, zucchini Alfredo.
Today.
And Gabriela, what are you doing here?
I am spiralizing zucchinis into noodles.
Let's see. Oh, we got some beautiful noodles there with the spiruli.
Oh, I like that you did it this way, Gabriela.
And let's see, we're preparing a dish here.
Yes, so I'm
What do you
putting
have?
I'm putting the garnish on the zucchini Alfredo. And
What is the salad? It looks beautiful.
yes, it's a local salad, and
With our homegrown microgreens.
that's right, with our radish microgreens and our sunflower microgreens and our pea microgreens.
Oh my goodness, how
It's
nourishing. And
beautiful,
what
it
is
is.
that gorgeous yellow soup?
Oh, this is my signature carrot coconut dill.
Carrot coconut dill.
That's right.
Ooh,
Yes.
yum.
Here it goes. Another half
Yum.
pound.
Wow. And this looks like a delicious creamy Alfredo sauce. Perfect. And what is for dessert?
These are Local Peach Cobbler with a ginger vanilla date sauce.
Ooh, and I know because I chopped the peaches. And where were those peaches from?
They're from here, local. in
Local
Durango.
peaches. Wonderful. That's something I look forward to when I come out to Colorado.
Yeah.
Getting all those wonderful local peaches.
All right,
What's the
so-
season for the local
Should I
peaches?
spiralize one more, Gabrielle?
It's right now, late August, or mid. Well, actually, it's usually about late August, but we're getting our fruit a little early this year just because we had such a mild winter.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm looking forward to having a piece of this peach cobbler.
Hardworking girl.
And Turtle Lake Refuge is just, this is the cafe, just surrounded by plants and beautifully set up tables with people eating. You gotta come here when you come to Durango.